Okay. Good boy. Good morning, friends, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another vlog. I thought it would be fun today to take you guys through my morning routine and the different little healthy habits here and there that I've been implementing into my routine, or that have been a part of my morning routine for the past year or so, that just help me feel my best throughout the day and help me feel prepared and productive going into my day. I made some bone broth this morning, which is a new habit that I'm trying to implement. I love my green juice detox drink in the mornings, as you guys know, but I only have that 3 or 4 days out of the week, since the juices go bad in the fridge after 4 or 5 days. So I don't have that every single day out of the week. So I've heard really good things of bone broth and drinking this first thing in the morning. There's a lot of really good benefits, but the main one that made me want to start drinking it is gut health and just supporting your digestive system. So I want to drink this on the days that I'm not drinking my healthy green juice, but I personally am not a fan of this. I know people say it just tastes like soup and they really like it, but for me, I'm not trying to drink soup first thing in the morning. But not everything that is healthy for you is enjoyable, so I'm going to finish this and then make a little pre-workout snack before I head to the gym. Today is leg day. Some of my favorite little pre-workout snacks are peanut butter on toast with a sliced banana on top, a bowl of oatmeal, or a yogurt parfait with some little fruits. So that's what I'm gonna make myself right now. Okay, you guys, it is smoothie time. I'm gonna show you guys how I make my post-workout protein smoothies in the mornings. I always use one banana for fiber and then an extra fruit, whether that's strawberries or blueberries. Today I'm going to be using these frozen strawberries. I ran out of my almond milk and I'll need to make some more later, so I'm just going to use this 2% milk for today, but I always use almond milk. But this is all that we have in the fridge right now, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of ice so it can get a little bit watered down. And then this is the protein that I have been really loving. I've been trying to be really mindful about how much sugar I'm consuming and really trying to limit foods with a lot of added sugar. And I really like that this protein powder doesn't have any added sugar and it just has very simple, minimal ingredients, which is really great. And this one is vanilla flavor, which I always use since it goes with everything. And then the last thing that I add are these hemp hearts, which I like to put in my oatmeals, yogurt parfaits, and my protein smoothies. Hemp seeds are pretty high in protein and omegas 3 and 6, so it's rich in a lot of really great nutrients and just boosts the protein in my little protein smoothie. So I add a decent amount of that and then blend this all up. Okay, you guys, I just finished getting ready for the day. I put on a little bit of makeup and got dressed into a cute little outfit for the day. And I always try to dedicate a few minutes in my morning routine to either put on a little bit of makeup or some good skincare, put on a outfit. That way I feel more put together, confident, and just ready to tackle my day. I feel like it makes such a big difference. It's about to be noon, so I'm going to end my little morning routine vlog here. I didn't make a full-on breakfast plate this morning since I did work out a little earlier, and I feel like with my pre-workout snack and my post-workout smoothie, I feel pretty full, so I'm probably gonna have lunch in about an hour or two. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog and found it motivating or got some inspiration to add maybe some healthy habits into your routine or just change it up a little bit. I feel like I've been really loving where my morning routine has been at, especially in the winter time. I think this is the best and most important time to invest in your self-care and wellness and just change it up a bit every now and then to make it interesting. You guys know I'm a wellness girly through and through, so I love a good simple routine and finding new healthy habits that I can implement so I can feel best in my body and just feel confident and productive with whatever it is that I'm doing. I'm gonna end the vlog here, but don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you in my next vlog.